Hi everybody, my name is Keisha Cameron. I'm the Director of Diversity and Inclusion here at JCA. Welcome and thank you for coming here. I appreciate your attention while I give you a little brief information about what I do here. So I'm basically in charge of making sure that every student here feels accepted and supported during their time here. And I do that by conducting staff and faculty trainings, meeting with students. I go into classroom for discussions, and pretty much anything that is asked of me that I'm able to help with. Here at JCA, we do have a diversity statement, and we strongly support all of our students here, and we celebrate that challenge by creating that culture of acceptance here. So if you ever have a question about anything, something you want to run past me, you can look for information from me in the newsletter that comes out every month, parent-teacher conferences, open houses. I'm always around, so feel free to reach out. Thank you.
For more information, please visit our website.